Namaste student, myself Jevin Anshika Kushwaha, Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science, Food and Biotechnology Department. Our subject is Basic Enzymology and today's session is difference between enzyme and catalyst, biocatalyst. So what is enzyme? We have already discussed in session number 1.1 and now we are discussing the comparison between catalyst and enzyme. We are already discussed before what is catalyst. So enzyme and catalyst both affect the rate of reaction. In fact, all known enzymes are catalysts, but not all catalysts are enzyme. The difference between catalyst and enzyme is that enzymes are largely organic in nature and biocatalyst while non-enzymatic catalyst can be inorganic compound. Neither catalyst nor enzymes are consumed in the reaction they catalyze. For simplicity, catalysts are this refers to non-enzymatic catalysts to easily differentiate from enzymes. So in this, if we comparison to the functions, the catalysts are substance that increase or decrease the rate of reaction of a chemical reaction but remain unchanged. But in case of enzymes are protein that increase rate of chemical reaction converting substrate into product. So what is the molecular weight? Low molecular compound weight of catalyst but high molecular weight global protein are enzymes. Then in comparison of types, catalysts, there are two types of catalyst, positive and negative catalyst, while there are two types of enzyme, activation enzyme and inhibitor enzymes. So in kind of nature, catalysts are simple inorganic molecule while enzymes are complex protein. In form of alternative terms, catalysts are inorganic catalyst, but enzymes are organic catalyst or biocatalyst. Catalyst typically slower in reaction rate, while enzymes several times faster. And catalyst, they are not specific and therefore end up producing residues with error, while enzymes are highly specific, producing large amount of good residue. In terms of conditions, catalysts are high temperature and high pressure, while enzymes are mild conditions, physiological pH and temperature. In catalyst, C, C and CH bonds are absent, while in enzyme, these bonds are present. Catalyst example is vanadium oxide, while enzymes example are amylase and lipase. So catalyst lowers the activation energy while enzyme also lowers the activation energy. So catalysis reaction have been known for humans in centuries. So catalysis and substance they can cause significant alteration to the rate of a chemical reaction, and enzyme is also speed of the reaction. So this is the overview of difference between catalyst and enzyme. If you have liked this video, comment on this video, and this video is powered by JVW Digital 2.0 version. And if you have any kind of query, you can write down in comment section. I will resolve it. Thank you, student.